Hello everyone, I'm talking a new feature in Go-HighLevel, that is how to use custom values in certification builder. For accessing this feature, first you need to get into sub-user level account of Go-HighLevel and click on memberships. Okay, and click on certificates. After clicking on certificates, you will see a bunch of certificates here. If you want to create a new certificate, you will click on new certificate and click on new certificate templates. You can click on any template. If I choose this as a template, if I confirm, click on confirm. I can use a certificate here. I can edit the certificate name. I can edit the name. I can edit the contact name, and I can give the some contact name details, and I can make some changes in a certificate, and I can upload it. Okay, if I want to do this via custom, in that case, I need to get into communities. I am get into groups. Okay, here I have a community. I can click on ABC as a community. Okay. After getting into communities, you will see a bunch of courses, whichever I have done, completed. Here I am, this is my course. If I click on this affiliate course, I have completed this course. This is the course completion. I have completed the course. After completing the course, you will get the certificate. For accessing the certificate, you can get into your home page and click on your account, and you will see you'll get into social media, get into certificates. Here you can see a certificate that I completed a specific course as per the right, and you can download certificate and you can upload it in your various social media platforms and you can get a good reach. Thank you.